Hi, this is Shanshan. I have a story to share with you real quick. A few years ago, one time I was taking a client to see a house. Our area is covered with snow, usually November all the way through at least March. There's nothing special about a house at the first glance because everything's covered with snow, right? When we walk into the kitchen, and on the kitchen counter, there were pictures and pictures of the house in summertime. I was so impressed because there's no way for us to know how the house looked like. Well, maybe Google Maps sometimes show you, but it's not gonna show you all the features, all the nice deck, the garden bed, the landscaping. It was just so impressive. So ever since that, I've been suggesting my sellers, even friends, who's not thinking about selling, you never know what's gonna happen next. And what if you have to move out in a hurry and you have nothing to show, but just like any other houses. Today, Friday, the weather is so good and it's just so sunny outside. And most of the snow from last weekend has melted. I would suggest that if you've got a few minutes, just head out to your house, even though most of the flowers probably gone, but still, you can see the landscaping, your deck, and everything that you have put money into. If you want to get a good return and you happen to be selling your house, take photos. It will be better than no photos. Doesn't matter, it's just from your cell phone. Like I said, quick video, quality not good, I don't care. Just get this message out. And since I'm heading out of town to put out a for sale sign, it's a flipper investor special. So if you want to find out, let me know. It's about 1 hour from Fargo. So again, this is Shanshan, and good to see you again. And remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'm hoping to put up more videos. Useful ones that to help homeowners, or if you want to be a homeowner, that I can be of value to you. So that's all for now. Have a great weekend.